This is a super fresh new CSS property. Hey coders, today we'll learn how to style form checkboxes, radio and progress bars in HTML. A blog post and timestamps are available in the description below. Alright, let's dive in. In our HTML file, we first create a form tag. Inside it, we add checkbox, radio inputs and a progress bar tag. We then close this form tag and move on to CSS. In CSS, we will style our form tag. The golden property which released on stable browsers recently is this: the accent color property. We can set any HTML color or hex code color and the colors will change from the default blue color to the color we set. Let's see several examples. And that wraps up this speedy tutorial. Thanks for watching and do consider subscribing to the channel for more coding tutorials with free source code like this. Till the next one, goodbye.